All right, so we're definitely going to test this in the pool and check it out, see what we think. I think it's going to be great. All right, so we took the camera into the water. Of course, we put it in its waterproof case. And this is the video that it shot. Right here is my robotic pool cleaner. It's transversing the bottom of the pool and taking up leaves. So it worked pretty good, I gotta say. All right, so now we've got to get the video out of here. To do that, we have to go to the bottom of the camera, pop it. You're gonna need a big thumbnail. Push in there. It should pop up. Once it does, you can pull it out. Bam. So that's ready to go. And now we can take that, put it in an adapter, and plug it right into the computer. And then we can look at it. So we'll do that. In the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into the charger so it charges. Makes sense? So for tomorrow, if we want to use it, we can use it tomorrow. So we'll set it over there. Just put it over there.